Oxford Reading Tree. Snapdragons. Tortoise Tortoise. Tortoise was asleep in his shell. Tortoise woke up. "Can I come out of my shell today?" said Tortoise. "No, don't come out today," said Squirrel. "It's very windy. It's autumn." "Can I come out of my shell now?" said Tortoise. "No, don't come out now," said Robin. "It's too cold. It's winter." "Can I come out yet?" said Tortoise. "No, not yet," said Frog. "It's a very wet spring day." "Tortoise! Tortoise! Come out of your shell!" "Come out! Come out!" "Why?" said Tortoise. "It's sunny today. It's summer." Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.